I am Dr. Hari Lakshmanan, a consultant pulmonologist at VPS Lakeshore Hospital, Cochin. Today we will see what are the health effects of snoring and a related disorder, sleep apnea. Now, many of us snore. You might have seen many of your family members or friends who snore. You must have wondered what are the health effects, are there any health effects to the snoring? So, the present discussion is on that. Now, snoring is at one end of a spectrum of a group of disorders known as sleep-related breathing disorders. That means, during sleep, the breathing is affected in different forms, and these are grouped together in the form of what is known as sleep-related breathing disorders, of which the mildest form in the spectrum is snoring, whereby there will be some partial reduction in your airway caliber during sleep, and there will be some vibration of your airways or muscles in the throat, and this vibration is heard as snoring. But there won't be any complete obstruction of the airway during sleep in simple snorers. Now, the other end of this spectrum is what is known as sleep apnea, where you have a complete obstruction or a partial obstruction to your airflow during sleep, so that the breathing is affected. There will be a complete cessation of breathing for some period of time, and this will be reflected as low oxygen levels in your blood. Now, snoring per se will not cause much adverse health effects, whereas if you have sleep apnea, then that is a major cause for various adverse health consequences. So, what is the burden of these sleep-related breathing disorders? Now, it is estimated that in India around 20%, that is 1 in 5 of Indians snore, and of this around 6 to 8% are having obstructive sleep apnea. But it must be emphasized that the sleep apnea is an under-recognized disease even now. Even with the advent of so many diagnostic facilities, it is still an under-recognized problem by the public, and thereby the rate of diagnosis also is low.